Hello everyone, welcome here. This lecture you are going to learn top 5 highest paying programming languages jobs in 2023. So beginners who are coming to joining in the software industry by learning programming languages and searching for to learn programming languages, this is a very important aspect to understand how you want to start your career. If you are watching first time this video lecture, please do subscribe and support. And with the help of ChatGPT, I am trying to getting this information from ChatGPT. So let's see top highest programming languages, and also we can say that paying programming jobs in 2023. Just I'm trying to asking and help with ChatGPT. So let's see. First, ChatGPT is suggesting for us machine learning and machine learning engineer in the field of artificial intelligence, which is added. So AI with machine learning continuous advancement of future growing skills, which is a vast development, and the models which are enabling by work with the machine automatically with the predictions. So learning in this area, AI with machine learning, it's giving you a great opportunity scope in your future career. And the next one is blockchain. Super easily, blockchain technology is across the industry. It's like a finance, supply chain management, and healthcare. All the blockchain developers creating decentralized application apps, smart contracts using blockchain platforms such as Ethereum, Hyperledger, and others. So try to make sure to develop a secure decentralized application, makes them highly soft after they are expected to the command in highest salary in 2023. Full stack developer. With the specialization of full stack developer who specializes in a particular technology such as Bean, Mango like MongoDB, ExpressJS, Angular, Node.js or Mariner. MongoDB, ExpressJS, React, Node.js are highest demand. These developers have an expertise both front-end as well as back-end technologies, can build end-to-end applications with a continued demand for web application and mobile applications, full stack developer who are expected and top salaries. DevOps engineer. DevOps engineers are responsible for beginner to and making bridging gap between the development and operations. So ensure that automate workflow, CI/CD pipelines, establishing, well, yes, greatly they are paying salaries. Cyber security. So with the growing concerns about to data breaches, cyber threats, highest demand. So these are the highest paying jobs which we have discussed. Which you are interested, join today. Please do subscribe for more interesting video lectures. Thank you.